In this video, I will show you how to get a job at Starbucks. So first of all, open up any browser and then just type in Starbucks and then jobs and then click on enter. And then you need to click on Starbucks careers. So go ahead and click on this, then click on agree. And now you can search for a job title or keyword, or you can just search for a location. So you can enter a city or a zip. I'm just going to enter a city. I'm going to select San Bernardino and then I'm going to click on search. And after that, you will find all of the options that are available in the city that you have selected. So as you can see, there are a couple of Starbucks locations in San Bernardino. And at the left, you will see the store. You will see the details of the store, so the address and stuff like that. And let's say that you want to apply for this address in here, this barista store. Then you're going to click on the store, and then you will see that there is a job description written, and it's saying exactly what you need to do for this job. So the job level is individual contributor. It is in a retail store, and your job function is basically barista. And this is basically everything that you need to do and what the qualifications are, any required knowledge and stuff like that. So if you're interested in a job like this, then you can just click on apply now. But if you want to look for more jobs, then you can also choose between everything that is being listed in here. And you can also click on show more positions to find everything that is in here. And then you can just read every job description, and you can also see what the job is going to be. For example, shift supervisor, a lot of barista, as you can see, and shift supervisor, baristas, basically a lot of that. So if you're interested, you just need to click on apply now or add to job cart. I'm just going to click on apply now. In order to apply for a job at Starbucks, you need to log in with your account, or you can also sign in using Google. And if it's your first time, then you're going to click on sign up and then just click on submit in here and then just fill in your email and make sure that you are logged in. And after you are logged in, you are able to go through the application process at Starbucks. It is not that hard. You just need to fill in stuff like your resume, your CV, any motivation letter, and all of your personal information. And then your application will be processed, and then in the end, it will be reviewed as well. So this is how you get a job at Starbucks. I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and consider subscribing, and then I'll see you in the next one.